Hi there, welcome to this short somatic wind down when you need to calm your nervous system. Perhaps you're getting ready to go to bed and you just need to let go of the stress of the day. We're going to start in a comfortable stance where the legs feel supportive. Connect with your breath as a vehicle to release and also to draw in. You get to work with both ends of the breath here. And then we'll take the attention down into the hands and start to wiggle your fingers. Start to circle your wrists. It doesn't have to be anything particularly circular. It's just a wave-like movement. And that movement starts to go up the arms toward the elbows. Your exhale helps as the circles break up tension. Invite a sense of soft, fluid movement. And your exhale lets go of all that stuff that you're breaking up, loosening, putting down. Bring that into the shoulders. And the spine might start to wave with it. The movement can kind of become like you're rowing a boat backwards. See how that feels. And then let that drop down. A little shimmy across the shoulders. The arms wiggle like jello. We'll start to use our humming breath. The sense of vibration in the throat is very calming to the body, and it helps the vagus nerve to send signals to your internal organs that everything is okay, that you are safe. So we'll start to exhale with a nice M sound. It's a soft M, not too much effort. Don't force your exhale. The feet are going to go a little bit wider apart, and we'll start to rock from side to side, layer on that hum. Let your upper body be really soft, and there's a gentle wave side to side through the spine. And it's just kind of happening. You're not even using effort. It's just this secondary effect of your weight shift. Couple more going even slower. Coming into center, dropping your attention down into your feet. Feel your feet rooted into the floor. Keep a little softness in the knees, a little softness in the arms. And we'll start a very tiny sway, much smaller than we did side to side. We'll start to rock forward and back. It might even be hard to see it in the video, but I'm shifting weight a little bit into my toes, shifting weight a little bit back into my heels. Very soft. You can continue with that humming breath if that feels good. And an extra layer might be wrapping the arms around, hugging yourself as you rock forward and back. Exhale, drop the arms down, plant yourself down into the feet again. Soft exhale out through the mouth. Whatever you need to let go of, let it drain away. Upper body starts to soften to the point where you roll down over your legs. The hands come toward the floor, and you can either stay in stillness and just enjoy that forward fold, let the head and shoulders soften into gravity, or you can sway. And find center. We'll start to bend the knees and come down toward the floor. If you have a chair nearby and you want to sit on a chair, you can do that too. But we want to sit in some way that you can have access to your feet, whether that's sitting in bound angle, or if you're in a chair, you can pull one foot up and cross it over the knee so you can reach it. Okay, so we'll just pick a foot and come over and just start to squeeze that foot with your hands. Thumbs are especially helpful here. If your thumbs are feeling okay, you can kind of walk the thumbs one after the other, right up the sole of your foot. Working into the feet can be incredibly relaxing. It helps us connect to the part of the body that we use to ground. Working around the heel, especially the back of the heel, there can be some interesting tightness there. And then just kind of a global squeeze of your foot and your toes. And then up into the ankle and the leg. Okay, over to the other foot. Coming to this side with curiosity. What is here? How does this foot feel? You might notice a little tender spot, and you can linger there. It's your choice where you are giving attention in your body. A couple good squeezes just around the whole foot, the toes, and then up into the ankle and the lower leg. Okay, so legs in front of you somewhere where you can reach most of your leg. You don't have to reach all of it. And we'll take our fingertips very lightly, sliding up and down the shins and the calves. Soft, gentle pressure. Very light touch. Coming up toward the leg, the upper leg, wherever you can reach. Sliding the hands up and down. This is a self-soothing touch. And then we'll do the same thing with one arm. And I always like to think almost like if you were in the shower and you were washing with soap, but this is kind of like an energetic washing. Let me slide away any tension that I don't need right now, anything that's stuck to me from the day. Let me slide my hands over it and help it to drop. A little shake to the hands, drop your palms down, and we'll take a slow exhale out through the mouth. And as you do, feel like your body is getting heavier, sinking into whatever's supporting you. Heavy, soft. My work of the day is done. Now I get to rest. And you can decide if you want to go down and stretch yourself out and get full support from the floor to soak that in, or you can sit here for a moment and absorb it. If you feel like you need a little bit more input, the other practices that I really recommend would be to take a massage ball and roll the bottom of the feet, or really anywhere else in the body that you feel like there's still some tension there. Use the ball to encourage some of that tension to move away. And the other option is if you feel like your mind is creating a lot of activity, it's hard for the brain to let go of the events of the day, working with a mantra, taking one of the longer mantras, the Anusara invocation or the Triambakam mantras, and using that instrument of thinking to calm the mind, and then watch the ripple effect that that has on the body. I hope that helps you to unwind and get deep, restorative sleep. Thank you for being here. I'll see you soon.